In the last 2 years, Pakistan's oil production has jumped more than 3 times, bringing a considerable saving in foreign exchange. Full stop. Deficient in this crucial sector from the very beginning, Pakistan has had to import oil in increasing quantity over the years to meet its democratic needs. Full stop. This dependence worsened in the wake of the oil price rise, putting an unbearable strain on Pakistan's economy and eating up a major part of its foreign exchange earnings. Full stop. Lately, however, the oil sense has been showing definite signs of improvement. Full stop. The increase in output is the direct outcome of an acceleration in exploration and drilling activities. Full stop. The trebling of production means that we can now meet over 37% of our crude oil requirements indigenously. Full stop. The saving in foreign exchange on this account during the last year amounted to rupees 430 crore. Full stop. Needless to say, all this has come about as a result of the streamlined working of the oil sector, the credit for which goes to the Minister for Petroleum and Natural Resources. Full stop. Since he took over about 2 years ago, he has imparted a new dynamism and sense of direction to oil exploration and development activities in the country, leading to a speculator rise in production. Full stop. An internationally known scientists endeavors in the oil field have already begun to bear fruit. Full stop. He has brought with him new ideas which have been successfully employed in improving the overall technical and managerial control of the oil sector and ensuring more efficient use of available resources. Full stop. To him also belongs the distinction of initiating the first offshore oil drilling effort in Pakistan. Full stop. Now it is clear that Pakistan have vast belt of underground oil. Full stop. If we continue our earnest efforts in this direction, we can look forward to meeting more and more of our oil requirements from domestic resources in the coming days.